Here is the Soundcore P30i Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure the buds are in the case. Let's just close the case, and then first is we're going to go directly to settings on our Android phone. So go to settings, we're going to go to connections, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Okay, tap on Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and see that little spinny thing right there. If I go under here where it says available devices, these are all the devices that are around me that's in pairing mode. Okay, so now we have to put this in pairing mode. Okay, so first let's just open it up and let's put this directly into our ear. Okay, I'm gonna put it into my ear. I hear dun, 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 the wake up chime, and then I hear, when I hear that, that's because it's connected to my iPhone here. Okay, if yours is in pairing mode, the last you would have heard was beep, 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 and then you would just find it down here. Okay, however, for me, because I was paired to a different phone, I have to go ahead and reactivate pairing mode on here. So let me put it back in the case, wait till the light is off. Now what I'm going to do is, for myself, is I have to open it back up. I have to grab both of these, and then I have to put it in my ear. And as soon as I put it in my ear, you see the logo on here? I'm going to go ahead and tap both like that and hold it. Okay, as soon as I tap, I should hear beep beep on both sides. Okay, and I would basically hold it for like 8 seconds until I heard it at the end. It goes beep beep beep, meaning it's in pairing mode. Okay, so anyway, let me rescan and stop scanning. Now it's scanning again. So under available devices here. Now let's grab the buds again. Let me go ahead and take it out, and then I'm going to hold that logo on both the ears when I put it in. Okay, so it's in my ear. And now I'm going to hold both. Ready, set, boom. Okay, now I'm holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, let me do it again. Ready? Go. Boop, boop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, beep, beep, beep. I just heard it. Okay, so it should be here now. Oh, I heard beep, beep, beep. Okay, let me just stop it and let me rescan. It should still be in pairing mode. Oh, there we go. Soundcore P30i. Let's tap on that. Pairing. I should get a pairing request here. I'm going to tap on pair. And now, voila, I am connected for calls and audio and have 100% battery juice on here. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing and connecting, try to factory reset these. If you want to know how to do that, look in the link below in the description area. Anyway, there you guys go.